What's up, guys? This video is about a system I put in a few years back, as well as to show things I do on the side when I'm not working on huge dehumidification systems and setups. I also want to take this time to thank a really good man who taught me a lot in what I know today. From when I myself did think Tecumseh just made lawnmower engines, I could say he was my version of a Jim Pettinato. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and email, or leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks. Alright, guys. Little weekend call. Nothing I made up. It's for a cold cellar. 134. So just one of the shaders was a little loose. So just leak test it. It was just a tiny bit low. Keeps this room nice and cool. I don't know if you guys could see that, but for the people that don't know, it's a lawnmower. Tecumseh. They make pretty good motors. I want to show you the timer, how I set that up. My G's making. That goes to my control. Yes, that goes to my G. Good old Johnson controls got my hand pressure. She is purring like a kitten. I want it to the same setup for my house. For the controls, guys, what I did is I installed a timer here because I don't want the compressor to come on, off, on, off, on, off. So I put about 5-6 minutes in between. Using a fan center, thermostats inside, high pressure, switches, low and high. Using this Johnson controls, good old Johnson. And that's her. I want to show you something, guys. There's a yak. I did not install this.